Good morning students. Welcome on YouTube channel of Lal Bagh Girls Inter College. This is Kirti ma'am and this lecture for class 10th maths. So students, I'll begin a new chapter 7, that is triangles. So in this chapter we shall study about the similar figures, especially similar triangles. So now I'll recap you what is a congruent triangle. So in this video I'm going to explain what is the basic difference between the congruent triangles and the similarity of a triangles. So congruent of a triangles, this topics you already discussed about in the previous classes, class 9th. So what is congruent triangle? Two triangles are said to be congruent if they have same shapes and size. That means you can see here ABC is one triangle and PQR is another triangle. These two triangles are called congruent of triangles because their shapes are similar and their size is also similar. Why? The length of AB is equals to the length of PQ. Now, the length of AC is also equals to the length of PR. Now, the third is the length of BC is equal to the length of QR. So, the first condition is the sides of triangles are equal. That is, side AB equals to the PQ and AC is equals to PR, and fourth side is BC is equals to QR. Now the second condition of the congruence of triangle is the angle between their triangles is their triangles is also equal. That is, angle A is equals to angle P, angle B is equals to angle Q, and angle C is equals to angle R. So I can write here the angles of triangles are equal. That is, angle A is equals to angle P, angle B is equals to angle Q, and the last is angle C equals to angle R. So I can write the sides of the corresponding triangle, this is corresponding sides, and this is also a corresponding angles. So this is the congruence of triangle. Now, in similarity of triangles, the two triangles are said to be similar to each other if they fulfill the two basic conditions. Now, in other words, we can say that the two triangles are similar if they have same shape but not same size. So this is the basic difference between the congruent triangles and the similarity of a triangle. In congruent triangle, shape and size are same, but in similarity of a triangle, shape are equal, same, but the size are not same. So you can see here, this is two similar triangles ABC and PQR. So see here, the size of the triangle, the shape of a triangle is same, but their sizes differ. This is smaller triangle and this is larger one. So the condition of the similarity of a triangle is, first is their corresponding angles are equal. That is, angle A is equals to angle P and angle B is equals to angle Q, or angle C is equals to angle R. So we can write here angle A is equals to angle P and angle B is equals to angle Q and angle C is equals to angle R. So this is the first condition of similarity of a triangle. Now the second is their corresponding angles are proportional. That is, no, there is a mistake. The corresponding sides are proportional. So we can write it as the AB, the ratio of the side AB with PQ. AB upon PQ is equals to the side of the ratio of AC and PR. AC upon PR is equals to BC upon QR. So now the similarity of a triangle is their corresponding angles are equal. That is, all angles are equal, their corresponding angles, and their sides are in proportional. So AB upon PQ is equals to AC upon PR is equals to BC upon QR, because their size are different. That's why the sides are in proportional. Then we have to say that the triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR. Now here we can congruence of a triangle, that triangle ABC is congruence to triangle PQR. So this is the basic difference. And in my next video, I am going to solve a theorem, Thales theorem. Thank you.